The same principles that Bezos used to build Amazon are exactly what you need to dominate in sales and business. So today I'm breaking down 3 lessons from Bezos, relentless focus on innovation, and how you can apply them to scale your success. And if you're ready to stop getting stuck and start getting ahead, go ahead and keep watching. When Bezos launched Amazon in 1994, he wasn't trying to build a trillion-dollar company. He just wanted to sell books online. But here's what made Bezos different is he never got comfortable. He constantly looked for the next big move, and he reinvented his business before the competition could catch up. Amazon went from books to selling everything to Prime to cloud computing to global domination. So what's a business and sales lesson? If you're not adapting, you're getting replaced. Most salespeople fail because they're still using outdated methods that don't work. They stick to old school pitches that don't convert anymore. They ignore new tools and strategies and trends in their industry, and they wait for opportunities instead of creating them. Are you learning new sales techniques, or are you still using the same old ones every year? Are you leveraging new technology to get ahead, or are you resisting change? Are you evolving your business, or are you waiting for someone else to pass you up? High performers move fast, adapt fast, and never get left behind. Winners don't wait for the market to change, they stay ahead of it. We work with business professionals and sales leaders who want to stay ahead of the game. If you're done falling behind and ready to start dominating your industry, let's build that strategy. Book a free strategy session below. All right, so let's talk about why salespeople struggle to close big deals and how Bezos would fix it. Here's where most salespeople go wrong. They chase the sale instead of understanding the customer. Bezos, he built Amazon by being obsessed with customer experience. He made buying online seamless, fast, and ridiculously convenient. He created systems that built trust, like customer reviews and easy returns. He focused on what customers needed, not what he wanted to sell. And that's exactly why Amazon dominates every industry it enters. Are you truly listening to your prospects, or are you just pushing your offer? Are you solving their actual pain points, or are you throwing sales tactics at them? Are you building long-term trust, or are you just hoping for a quick win? The best closers don't sell, they solve problems. They ask better questions, they build relationships instead of just pitching, they create value so that buying becomes a no-brainer. If you're tired of chasing deals and want to start attracting high-value clients the right way, let's talk. Apply for coaching below and let's build that high-converting strategy. Now let's talk about the final and most important lesson from Jeff Bezos. Here's the reality. Most sales professionals wait too long to make their next big move. They wait until they feel ready to ask for bigger deals. They wait until the perfect moment to scale their business. They wait until they're fully prepared before taking action. Bezos didn't wait. He took massive action before he had all the answers. He bet on himself when others doubted him. He built Amazon's future before the rest of the world even saw the opportunity. And that is why he became one of the richest, most powerful entrepreneurs in history. Are you waiting to go after big opportunities, or are you taking them? Are you holding yourself back because of fear, or are you betting on yourself? Are you stuck overthinking, or are you executing fast? High performers, they don't wait for permission to succeed. They create their own momentum. Your next level of success is on the other side of action. So here's your challenge. Which of these Bezos principles do you need to apply right now? Are you adapting to change, or are you stuck in the past? Are you focused on your customers' needs or just a sale? Are you taking action, or are you holding yourself back? The best don't just think differently, they execute differently. If you're serious about dominating in sales and business, let's talk and build a business strategy. Apply for coaching below, and let's map out that success plan. And if you found value in this, hit that subscribe button. I'm dropping high performance business strategies every single week. See you on the next one.